Hi everybody, today we're going to go over some must-have accessories for your Model 3. First is a console wrap. For mine I picked out a matte carbon fiber finish. It's a wrap from Abstract Ocean. Second, there are some performance pedal covers, and I'll provide the link for this and other products in the video in the show notes. Here again is the wrap. Inside I have a cubby holder and some matte inserts with a blue outline. Unfortunately it looks like I have a little stand that needs cleaned off there. Next is the wireless charger for phones. Of course you gotta have great floor mats. For those I have Tesmanian floor mats in my Model 3, both front and back. And rounded out, screen cleaner for your Model 3 screen from Abstract Ocean. It's also antibacterial. Lastly, we'll move to the Model 3 frunk with the frunk liner from Tesmanian. It's roughly about 2 inches deep. It'll help protect the liner of your frunk from any damage from anything you store. Also, please remember to hit like and subscribe to our videos, and visit us on Facebook at Model 3 Geek. Do a search for groups. Lastly, from Abstract Ocean, we have a silicone wiper. You can use this to dry off your car after a car wash or rain. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again. Keep watching.